VelPro is a MIDI velocity curve changer. What it means is that after you plug your MIDI controller to your computer, you can activate VelPro for that MIDI device and it will create a new virtual device to be used in replacement to the original one. Then, just tell your DAW to use the notes coming from that new device instead of the original one. VelPro now sits between your controller and your DAW and changes the incoming MIDI events on the fly. By default, if you don't touch the curve, VelPro will just keep the velocity of incoming notes unchanged. So if I press a key on my controller, my DAW will receive the note exactly as it was produced by my MIDI piano. Now if I modify this global curve, I can for example make light touches produce strong notes and tame down very heavy hits. With this change here, we can see that the very light press still produces a medium velocity when it reaches the DAW, and when I hit the keys very hard, we can't really reach the highest velocities anymore. Of course, you're free to come up with the curve that goes with your playing style and with the kind of data your MIDI controller produces depending on the way its keys are pressed. VelPro doesn't stop here. If you want, you can just customize the curve for each individual note by just pressing the key you want to change and unchecking the Use Default option for that note. Now every change you make to the curve will only apply to that note only. If you need to apply the same curve to several notes, you have the option to apply the current curve to either all the white notes, all the black notes, or a selection of notes of your choosing. You're not limited to only one virtual device. If need be, you can have events go through the same curve and hit several devices to be used in your digital audio workstation. Download VelPro now and try it for yourself.